I've been managing luxury hotel pool operations for many years. And in this business, you learn something very quickly. The rooms can be beautiful and the service can be excellent, but if the pool doesn't look right, the whole experience feels different. That's why pool cleaning, it's part of the standard we deliver every day. That changed when we switched to chasing DT100. The biggest difference for me was peace of mind. With its 98.4 feet cable, it covers our entire pool in one run, without dividing the area or going back over missed spots. Its anti-tangle swivel solved one of our biggest frustrations, and it cleans the floor, the walls, and the waterline in one cycle. I remember one afternoon when a child dirtied the pool, and guests were already waiting to use it. We used the remote control for targeted spot cleaning. In a few minutes, the pool was ready again. When guests walk into the pool area, in just a few seconds, guests have already formed an impression of the hotel. Now guests often ask us, how do you keep your pool this clean? And to me, that says everything. Because in hospitality, what guests remember most are the details that make them feel confident and cared for. A clean pool is one of those details, and chasing DT100 helps us deliver that every single day.